Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Happy Sunday. Today I'm playing with the hairdryer again, going back to the old roots, blowing out some paint. So I want to do something with minimal colors. I'm not using a whole lot of colors. I think I'm using like 5 colors. I guess that's not really minimal. But anyways, I'm going to do a black base and blow out some really cool looking blues. So let's get down the canvas to get started. I'll be right back. Hey guys, so today I've got a 24 by 24 deep edge canvas. This was an old ring pour that I did a few years back and it never sold. So instead of chucking it, I'm just gonna paint over top of it. Today I'm doing a blowout and I am going to use 5 different colors, a couple of metallics. So let's get to flooding our canvas first. I'm going to do a black base. I like to pour some along the edge. That way I can make sure that my sides and edges gets plenty of paint. Let's blow this out. So what I want to do is I want to kind of think about leaving some negative space. And I'm thinking about doing just kind of an S shape. I tend to sometimes do like these vine things where it's just on one side. So I'm thinking of kind of just doing the same thing, keeping negative space, a little bit larger blowout at the top, smaller coming down here. All right. So the first color I'm going to go with, I think I'm going to do my greenish blue from Amsterdam. First, let's give this a torch. All right. So let's kind of think of the snake pour. So I'm just gonna that'll be good. We go with some silver now. Let's go with some turquoise green. Go with some white. Some metallic blue. I'll just come in with just a little bit more of the greenish blue. Okay. All right, let's blow this out. All right, I'm gonna leave this here. I'm getting some fantastic cell reaction. So I've got my silver and my metallic blue, which are the two metallic-y colors. And they are interacting with the Amsterdam titanium white along with the greenish blue and the aqua green. Those two, the silver and the metallic blue, are getting some great reactions, creating some great cells. Ooh, I like this black part in between the blowout. Really, really cool. Got like a pool of negative space here and over here and over here. Really, really happy with how this blew out. So let me bring you down here. I'm gonna torch and then I'll bring you guys down. Okay, here we are with the wet result. So I love the composition to this. Really nice, cool blowout. Look at the cell reaction I'm getting. Some really cool lacing as well. All right, everyone, so that is the piece. So here is the dried result. So I did a big boo-boo on this, and I should have tilted, and I was kind of worried that I didn't do this, but I should have tilted the canvas after I blew the base coat out, because I had a huge puddle of paint right here in the center. So it gathered all right here, and it kind of ate up some of my color. Bad, bad, bad. But I like the design of it, so I will probably do this again, maybe with the same colors, maybe not, but lesson learned, and I should have just did it when I thought of it, but oh well, next time. Always tilt your canvas to make sure you've got all the paint excess evenly dispersed all over the canvas, okay? All right, everyone have a great rest of their Sunday. I will see you on Wednesday. Bye-bye.